back to my channel. So today's video is going to be this fiery orange gold summer makeup look. I don't know, I was really inspired by like the warm oranges and like the hot summer heat, like fiery summer heat. So I decided to create this look, and I am actually really obsessed with it. Like, I think that I'm going to actually wear this look. I don't know for what, but yeah, I really like this look. I did use several different eyeshadows. Most of them are Morphe, some of them are Makeup Geek. But yeah, I hope you guys are excited to see this kind of look. I know I've been doing like so many different looks on my channel, and I'm actually really excited because I have more planned for you guys. It's just the matter of actually filming them. And I did forget to mention in this video that this might be my last video for this week. I'm not really sure yet, but the main reason is just because I'm having like this almost tooth pain, but it's not really my tooth, it's more my gum. My gum is actually swollen, so I think I might have to get my wisdom teeth taken out, and if I do have to get them taken out, then that means I won't be able to film videos for you guys. So hopefully I don't have to get them taken out. Hopefully it's like something else that's really minor and I can just take medicine and be done with it. But if I don't post the rest of the week, you guys will know why. But definitely make sure to follow me on Snapchat, that way you guys can stay updated with me and see what I'm doing with my life if I do have to take out my wisdom teeth, which will probably consist of the bed, Netflix, and probably soup. If you guys do want to see this look that I created, then please keep watching. So we're going to go ahead and get started. I've already primed my eyelids, did my brows, and now we're going to go ahead and move on to the eyeshadow. Didn't want to take up too much time priming the eyes, same thing. So I'm going to go ahead and start off with doing the eyeshadow first. Just FYI, I think I'm going to end up using so many different palettes, so many different eyeshadows, just because I don't have one palette that I know of that I can just use one palette to do this look. I kind of be going kind of all over the place, so hopefully you guys can keep up with me. Firstly, I'm going to take this color right here. This is called Morocco, and this is from Makeup Geek Cosmetics. So I'm going to take that on my Morphe M504 brush, super fluffy blending brush, and I'm going to start blending it right here. And I'm going with a really strong color just because the transition shade, I want it to be super deep, and this is going to be a very dramatic eye, so that's why I'm going in with a very intense shade first, because this is going to be our transition shade as well. I'm going to be taking the color Vivid, and like I said, this is from the 39A palette, and I'm going to be taking this color right here, almost like a burnt orangish color. So I'm going to take that, and we are going to use the same exact brush, and I'm going to begin carving out the crease a little bit and just really adding in that definition there. And we're going to go darker and darker and darker with every shadow that we take. I'm going to go into the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to be taking the color Hunt, which is this like orangey, almost brown color, but it's definitely more orange. And I'm going to take that, and I'm going to define the crease even more with this palette. I feel like I'm just using all kinds of palettes today, but I just really wanted to create this like fiery look. So I'm going to take the color Hunt, and I'm going to just really pack that into the crease. You can see how the shades are starting to get darker. Up here it's a lot lighter, then it starts to get, you know, a little darker, and then we're going to go a little bit more into the crease, and we're going to take a even darker shade. So I'm actually going to go back into the 39A palette. I would say like almost terracotta orange, which is this one right here. I'm going to grab that on the same brush. I'm going to put that even more into the crease right here. Which is a even darker, almost terracotta shade, which is this one right here. And I'm going to take that on a smaller pencil brush. So this is almost like a, I would say like blending pencil brush. It's really tiny, and I'm going to just really carve out that crease. And I'm not going to worry about the outer edges just yet, because we're going to go in and cut the crease anyways and then blend back the colors into it. So right now I'm just mainly focusing on throwing this color right into the crease. I'm actually going to take some of Tarte Shape Tape on the back of my hand, and then I'm going to pick up the product with this brush. So I'm going to just carve out the crease. I'm going to take just a small amount because I don't want to get too much on the lid. I'm going to kind of like go like this, like make scary eyes, so I can really see where my crease is. I'm sorry if I'm not talking, I just really have to concentrate. So hard to get both of your eyes the same, so I tried my best to do both the same, but I feel like this one's a little thicker as far as like the lid space, but once we add on everything else it should be fine. Taking this like almost gold color, and this is the color Queen, and I'm going to be taking that on a small brush. This one right here, this gold. I'm going to lay that down onto the actual lid. I think I'm going to go back in with this tiny detailed brush, like a small little detailed pencil brush. So I'm going to be taking the color Jax, which is this like almost fiery red. I'm going to take that and I'm just going to precise the crease even more. So I'm just going to line like right here. Smaller brush, and I'm going to take the color Roxanne, which is that deep orangey shade that we used. And I'm going to take that and I'm just going to put this on the outer corner. To take this Makeup Geek glitter, and this is the color Asteroid. I'm going to pick that up with the Too Faced glitter glue and a small pencil brush, and I'm going to line like right here where we defined the crease. I'm going to throw on some glitter right there, and we're going to line that so it gives more definition there, and it also gives like a little bit of sparkle. Actually just going to go in with some glitter glue instead, just because it has the tiny brush, and I think it'll help stick better when doing this very precisely. So I'm just going to take this. But I'm only going to line it halfway, I'm not going to do it all the way. And then I'm going to pick up the pencil brush and I'm going to grab some of that glitter. Oh my god, look at my face. I need to clean this off. So I'm going to clean this off. I'm going to wet my beauty blender, and then we are going to start with the rest of the makeup. I'm going to throw on some lashes. So we're going to go ahead and prime the face. I'm going to use my favorite two primers, Peached and Primed, and I was going to say Benefit Professional, but Maybelline Baby Skin. Super similar to Benefit Professional, by the way, but a cheaper alternative. So I'm going to throw this mattifying one on first, then the pore one. You guys know the drill. Just going to move along, and we are going to do the foundation. Definition. I'm going to try to pack this on because I want the lower lashes to be kind of longer so that it matches the top. And I'm going to be using my telescopic mascara from L'Oreal. This one is one of my favorites. And for the lips, I didn't know what I really wanted to do. Like, I kind of wanted to do this Anastasia liquid lipstick because it's almost like a fiery orange red, but I feel like it would just be too much. So I think I'm going to mix this color, which is called Nude Beach. This is one of the Jeffree Star limited edition I believe it was like spring collection that he launched, like I believe it was like last summer. So I'm going to mix those two together, but first I'm going to add the Anastasia one on top. I want it to mainly focus on the eyes more than I do like the lips, and I feel like the lips are just like a little out there, so I'm going to mix in with the Jeffree Star one. Gonna give it like a creamy orange color. So it just toned down the like orange and it made it more like coral. Kind of feeling it. So this is the lip combination and I actually really like it. Okay, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys really enjoyed. If you did enjoy watching this video, don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell. That way you guys can be notified every single time I upload. I do upload Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 10 a.m. So if you guys want to stay connected with me, then definitely make sure to do those things. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!